Do you feel like diagnosing vehicles has become as much about reading data as it is about turning wrenches and using shop equipment? That's because modern scan tools can do a lot, like give you insights into how modules are communicating and what's really happening under the vehicle. Knowing how to interpret that data can make your life a lot easier and provide higher profits too. Let's dive into the communication between scan tools and modules next. Modern scan tools can graph multiple data parameter identifiers, or PIDs, during a test drive, showing you how the control module actually interprets information. If you notice sudden drops in speed from a wheel speed sensor, that usually means the air gap between the encoder ring and the sensor has shifted, thanks to play inside the bearing. Instead of guessing, your tech should focus on the right corner of the vehicle from the start. On most late model vehicles, the automatic brake system, or ABS, electronic control unit, or ECU, and electric power steering talk to each other through a high-speed CAN bus. Many issues come from communication errors, whether inside a module or in the wiring that connects them. A scan tool can confirm whether modules are working, identify communication codes, and even point you to the exact spot in the network wiring where the problem lies. From there, a scope can verify the condition of the network. Scopes also let your techs dig deeper though. Sure, they confirm signal output, but they also reveal the health of the circuit itself. For example, an active wheel speed sensor gets voltage from the ABS module, usually between 8 and 12 volts, and changes that signal by less than 2 volts as the encoder ring passes the sensor tip. With a waveform captured, you can compare it to the known good pattern. That view makes it possible to spot mechanical issues like a damaged reluctor ring or misaligned air gap. Another advantage of using a scope is in bias voltage checks. Most brake, suspension, and oxygen sensor heaters do a quick self-diagnostic when a module wakes up. For a split second, the module sends out a low voltage signal as protection. If the circuit has an open or short, resistance changes the voltage reading. If readings don't fall within range, the module won't supply power, will set a code, and deactivate the system. That's why when a sensor is disconnected, the system cuts power and stores a code. This is where training matters. An untrained tech might not see power at a sensor and assume the module itself is bad. With the right approach, scan tools and scopes can prevent misdiagnosis and unnecessary part swaps. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.